How do you guys feel?
I don't feel.
Well, you should.
Right, how do I feel right now?
It's widescreen, so it'll be a really nice angle.
Oh, it's so great.
Why? Well, that's not good. Are you staying over? Yeah, I was gonna say, what time is it? Like.
Oh yeah, I'd have to catch the bus in like half an hour to go home.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not enough time.
Actually, probably have both of you right now.
And then it doesn't work.
7 times.
Okay, so that's what I figured it was.
Says the sun.
Fucking Chris.
Fucking Chris.
Chris Ivory.
Chris Ivory.
Is that the guy that like works this?
What the fuck are you doing? Stop! What are you doing?
Look at the faux leather hat. That's fancy.
I don't like.
I like very cool, very swag.
I don't like. Oh, but I like.
Oh,
I like that a lot.
that's nice.
I will consider getting that for the game.
That's nice.
I will wear that to the game.
What about my Tracy? You'll wear it over top
You're
of
right.
that.
I will wear that. I completely forgot I had it. So I will wear it. And everyone will love it.
You will wear that over top of that, and then when something excellent happens, you just whip it off.
Go.
Fuck you. What? Like, when's the...
This is actually, I like our line of people with phones in their hands.
Yes. Oh, my phone just died right before I could get a picture.
Okay, now I'm actually watching this.
Fuck.
Look at it go! Wow.
Wow.
I feel like the ball's gonna come. We're not gonna break this. Maybe we won't do that again.
Did you get the
23.
I killed that.
I think you did, actually.
How people. Oh no! Come on! Come on! Yes!
And like our super... What?
What are you doing? What's happening?
sit you hallelujah. Girl, sit you hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk